So today we have a clock that melted in the sun. So we are going to replace this little engine and bring this guy back to life. Let's go. So we start by unclipping here the metal pads. And then we can remove the back plate to reveal the face of the watch. So we need to remove the hands from the clock by taking out this little screw, and the hands, they are fitted into the clock mechanism, and then we just remove this other screw in order to take the engine out. So with the heat it got outside, the glue was removed from the face, so let's just put some new glue in order for the face to be flat and the ends don't touch it. So with the new glue back in place, we just apply a bit of pressure so that it stays completely flat. And now it's time to assemble the new motor in place. This will be basically the opposite of what we did with the other. We make sure to tie it as tightened as possible. And we place the hands back in place. And we will add the second hand because this clock didn't have one. So we'll just add it for the fun of it, a little upgrade. We will then need to remove the original screw that came in with the engine or motor of the clock and put ours to make sure it works properly. So as this hand is too long, let's give it a little cut, and like this it will turn around the clock entirely. So I don't really enjoy the red color here, so I'll just turn it upside down because the gray matches the clock's colors better. So with it assembled, let's put a battery on it and test the clock. So it's now up and running. Let's do a small time lapse for 10 minutes so we can see if it really works well. So yeah, seems about right. So let's finish this up and assemble the rest of the watch. And there we go. A watch that would have gone to trash is now working and can go back to its place. So if you liked, please leave it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. See you guys, bye bye.